Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about retrieval augmented generation, which we also call it as RAG. So there is a user who will be asking the question. Okay. For taking the user question, there is a app which we call it as a chat box. So in the chat box, the user will provide his or her questions or queries. So there will be an LLL model. Okay. So LLL model will be, taking that question and then searching for the information in the vector database. After searching the information, once the data is retrieved by AI from the vector database, it will generate the answer using the data fetched from the vector database. So how RAG works? So basically the user will ask any question. So for example, user is asking a question, how do I reset my password? First, these words are converted into vectors. So what is vector? Vector is a numerical representation of words. Okay, so it could be something like how is converted into 0.12, do is converted into 0.85. Now, this word to vector is a kind of embedding technology, okay, which is used by different organizations. I will show some of the tech embeddings that are used by the organization. So if you see, Google uses word to vec, Facebook uses fast text, OpenAI uses text embedding ADA 002, Microsoft uses Azure opening embeddings, Cohere uses Cohere embed. Now the LLM model will search for the questions from the vector database. So vector database I have just shown here as an example. Okay. So there will be strings and the vector representations. So vector representation will be stored in the database. LLM model, what it will do, it will retrieve the information from here. Then it will use the nearest neighbor search algorithm to search the words or data or information near to this questions or close to these questions. Then it will match the question with the uh, data or information it has retrieved. Okay, and then using that it will generate. So it will use these chunks of information which was retrieved from the database and the question and will generate the answer, which is like something like to reset your password, navigate to your profile settings and click on reset password. So this is how basic RAG works.